Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You need practical basics now: core Python, OOP, and debugging. Start by finishing one small project you can demo. This shows tangible skill. Once done, push clean commits to GitHub and write a short README explaining purpose and design choices. Make sure your LinkedIn and resume match the project summary. Explain why you built it, which libraries you used, and what problems you solved. This first cycle moves you from passive study to demonstrable work employers can evaluate. Now expand. Create 2 medium projects that highlight backend logic or data flow, like a Flask API or ETL pipeline. Once those exist, write unit tests and add CI. Employers value reliable code. Parallel to coding, practice common algorithms and whiteboard problems. Focus on time-space complexity and clear explanations. Make sure you can discuss trade-offs and architecture decisions. Mock interviews help. Do them with peers or platforms and iterate on feedback until your explanations are concise. Start applying broadly but with intent. Tailor each application to the role and mention relevant projects. Prepare 3 clear star stories: a tough bug you fixed, a design trade-off, and a teamwork success. Once interviews begin, ask technical and culture questions to assess fit. Clarify expectations about stack and mentorship. If an offer comes, compare salary, benefits, and growth. Troubleshooting tip: if rejections pile up, request interview feedback. Audit your code samples and iterate on projects or whiteboard explanations promptly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.